Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for helpful tutorials about VPN tools, internet privacy, and educational tech walkthroughs. In today's video, we're going to explore how to generate and import configuration files for HA Tunnel Plus using a tool called kofNet, a reliable SNI host generator. This tutorial is designed to help you understand the process of setting up and testing configurations for personal and educational use. This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. We do not encourage or support any misuse, unauthorized internet access, or violation of your ISP's policies. Please always follow local laws and your network provider's terms of service. Step 1. Let's begin by installing the apps we'll need. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type HA Tunnel Plus and tap Install. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. Now go back to the Play Store, and this time search for kofNet. This is the app we'll use to generate working SNI hosts and configuration files. Tap Install and launch kofNet when ready. Step 2. Once you're inside the kofNet app, tap on the option called SNI Generator. Scroll through the list of countries manually to find your region. A search function may be added in future updates. Once you select your country, tap the Generate button. You'll be presented with a working SNI host. You can tap next to see another one or just copy the current one using the Copy button. Tip: SNI hosts are updated regularly on kofNet, so most entries should work well for basic educational configurations and testing. Step 3. Let's head back to the HA Tunnel Plus app. Tap the three dots or menu icon to enable custom setup, then tap the drop-down that says Direct Connection and select Custom SNI. Now paste the copied SNI host into the SNI field. Scroll down and check the options for Preserve SNI Use Renegotiation. Host: these settings help in creating a more stable tunnel connection depending on your network. If you're unsure which setting works for your provider, don't worry, we'll test them next. Step 4. Now let's test the SNI connection. Tap the Start button. Go to the Log tab in the app. Watch for messages like Connection Established, Disconnected, Handshake Failed. If the connection fails, here's what to do. Try disabling either Preserve SNI or use Renegotiation Host and tap Start again. Still not working? Go back to kofNet, generate a new SNI host and repeat the process. Note: SNI hosts may stop working over time due to server-side changes or ISP restrictions. This is normal and why testing multiple hosts is necessary. Step 5. If you're having trouble building your own config or just want to test a ready-made setup, open the kofNet app again. Tap Download VPN files from the main menu. Choose your preferred VPN type, in this case, HA Tunnel Plus. You'll be redirected to a trusted hosting page. Scroll through and find your country or network name. Tap Download to save the config file to your phone. Once the file is downloaded, go back to HA Tunnel Plus. Tap the folder icon or Import Config. Select the downloaded file, tap Start to connect troubleshooting tips. Always ensure you're using the latest version of both HA Tunnel Plus and kofNet. Avoid using outdated SNI hosts. Your data plan must support at least some internet connectivity. Zero-rated apps, like WhatsApp bundles, might help test connectivity if allowed. Configuration success can vary based on region and provider. Be patient and keep testing responsibly. Educational purpose reminder. This tutorial is a learning resource to help viewers understand VPN tunneling, configuration management, and SNI-based connectivity for secure testing environments. Please use this knowledge ethically and legally. Outro and call to action. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button to support the channel. Subscribe for more privacy-focused and tech how-to videos. Got a question or want us to create a config for your country? Drop your comment below. We respond to most questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay informed.